Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From Uno Ear Device, Uno know see a one and only Atafa the Press. Well, my wisdom warriors, Uno know say me I go run up and dog in this a one year cause. When me see Prime Minister Andrew Holness come out and attack and go on with himself, me say this a man I really want a international fame, Yeah, man, that him a look. So, Prime Minister Andrew Holness is commending the police in Hanover for achieving an 11% reduction in murders in the parish so far this year. The Prime Minister visited Hanover on Friday and handed over houses to Jamaicans in need under the government's new social housing program. The Prime Minister also stopped by Johnstown in the parish, which was recently affected by a triple murder, and interacted with head of the Hanover Police Superintendent, Andrew Nish. My wisdom warriors. So, when Sister Andrew Holness come out, yeah? And Andrew Holness say him a commend 11% murder reduction, yeah? All right, in the parish. Then, on top of that, he say him stop by Johnstown in the parish, yeah, where the triple murder take place. You see, this man, he always come out and I say how, murder is reduced, when that is really not the case, But I say Andrew Holness, he's just looking at international fame. He might look international fame. The time when this man like I take and I talk about reduce, crime now reduce. It better you say in a certain parish, because burial come, it calm down a little bit. And me not really know, say, me just not get Andrew Holness. The crime is really getting out of hand, The crime is really getting out of hand. So when he must say, he must commend, listen, nothing wrong, when you commend your worker, it is very good. But commend them when something really is happening. That is not nothing to commend about. Because, listen, you come out and you commend, but look, on the other side, look what happened. Triple murder just happened. It just not make no sense. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, when you hear say, you must give out houses. The new social housing program when you have over 8 years, I think I must about, 100 houses or 100 and something houses. I can't really remember exactly how much houses he handed out over 8-year period. You understand me? So, to Andrew Holness, him look at that as, as an achievement, which, listen, that is not no achievement, because over 8 years you only handed out 100 and other houses. That is not an achievement. This is why you hear people come and talk about Mr. Bean, or what you want to name, Mr. Beast or whatever. Lord Jesus, may I call him man Mr. Bean? Hey, Mr. Beast. That's my name. You just come other day and build 100 houses for the people. And you have a lot more people. That need houses. And the thing is, if I really check the ratio, a peer labor right get houses. That's a number one. Number two, the only people will get houses, these type of houses, you have to have a land. And if you don't have a land, my wisdom warriors, you're not going to get the help you need. A lot of people don't have any land. A lot of people capture land, and a lot of people rent land. If you never know, a lot of people rent land and capture land. So really and truly, I don't believe it is fair, because a lot of people don't have land and can't get the help. You understand me? So how comes that is fair? So only people with land alone are going to get houses. If you don't have no land, you're not going to get no houses. So Andrew Holness needs to put something in place. Right now, I'm not even wanting to put nothing in place, because this man is an evil man, my wisdom warriors. May I tell you now? Look what is happening. Look what is happening in the country. Just look what is going on. Beryl just come and gone. People need food, people need clothes, people need light. People need a lot of help. A lot of people have them businesses and them lose them businesses. You understand me? Other day, me play a video when yesterday early in the morning, I posted a video with the lady. I said they can't sell nothing because everything gone. Everything gone. How them I go get the help? How them I go get the help? So when I say Andrew Owners, I walk around and I talk about crime reduce and them something that we have other things to think about. You know? Start drop blocks. Start drop blocks. Start drop board, ply, tarpaulin, all these things. Stop dropping. Somebody comment and I said to me say, oh, for them MP, give them food stuff and stuff like that. The thing is, Andrew only say I'm going to be transparent with everything. And we not see no transparency. It's a reason why they not be transparent in my wisdom warrior. Because they don't want to follow the money. They don't want to follow the money. They know why uno no want to be transparent. Me ask the Jamaica Labour Party, Andrew Ownless, why uno no want to be transparent? You come out and say you're going to be transparent. And all know uno not being transparent. Yeah, what uno no want we know say the food package wanna give out come from Miami? Me just not understand. What uno hide? Uno say not going to be transparent and all know we not see the people them a get nothing. Some people say them get stuff. Some people say they don't. You get me? Some people say them don't. So when you hear me come out and talk, I don't see the evidence. So if me not see the evidence, me not go come and say yes, then give out when there is no evidence. They never come and show it. And Andrew only said them are gonna be transparent. So why they not show it? If we not give food out, hand out food, show it, make everybody see. Make everybody see. You understand me? And the next thing, me see the JPS them out to talk about by Saturday night, them all try make sure that everybody have light. JPS, come and tell you something. Stop charging people them for them light turn on back. Stop it. When I get pay work, when I work, when I need to stop it. My wisdom warriors, it has come to my attention that the JPS workers them are go round. I go around, I tell the people them say they don't have to pay them how much thousand before their light can switch on. Them are something I need to stop. Them are something I need to stop, my wisdom warriors. It need to stop. It need to stop. I mean, I understand the Jamaican people, them really come out and pay the JPS for turn on back on the light. We all know so we want light, yes. But Jamaican people, no found if you have sense. You don't have no right to write this so. You don't just make it people, them a trample upon you all the time. You don't always a second for less. Why? Why? This is why people look down upon we. Imagine JPS then get paid for come out, come switch on back the service, do what they have to do. And the JPS worker them a go around. My wisdom warrior, it is happening in Westmoreland. It is happening in Westmoreland. And this need to be stopped. And I'm calling on the PNP councillors. I'm calling on the JLP councillors. This is not right. JLP MPs, PNP MP, the mayor, for Savannah Lamar, I am calling on you guys. This need to stop. What the JPS is doing is wrong. The people them Beryl just come and gone. Good God, man. Beryl just come and gone. The people they don't have it. And when you go around in the community and I tell the people themselves they want their light back on, they have to pay them how much thousand? What kind of nonsense is that? What kind of nonsense is that? My wisdom warrior is a serious thing, me I tell you, you know. This is a, I don't understand, you know. I don't get it. You see, if you not ever make Andrew Ownless, if you not ever make Andrew Ownless win another term, dog, I'm going to near mono supper. Jamaican people, Westmoreland people, me talk to you. I want to have some sense right now. Seriously. I want, you can't have no rights and make people a trample upon you. When the JPS them coming out, they might get paid. They might get paid every month. So the JPS workers, they have no right. My wisdom warriors, it has come to my attention. You understand? So the JPS workers, them are out charging customer for turn on back them light. One people could have wicked so. Let me just use the word term allege. It is alleged. It is alleged, my wisdom warrior. Let me use that. It is alleged that the JPS workers, them are going around. Listen, a serious thing, you know. A serious thing because it causes a big war. Let me tell you that. These things need to stop. These things need to stop. JPS, you have a duty for going around and doing the work to the best of your ability. Stop charging customer for turn on light. You understand me? You have to stop it. If JPS and PO no good, you left you walk and go find another job. Good God, man. Come on. Everybody are one. We are all black people. And look how I deal with our brothers and sisters. Shame on uno, man. Shame on you. My wisdom warriors, tell me what you think about that and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, hear this. PNP stands by assertion that no opposition parliamentarian is being investigated for illicit enrichment. The Opposition People's National Party says it is alarmed at the disgraceful concoction of misinformation and misdirection being employed by the Jamaica Labour Party following revelations that the Integrity Commission is investigating 8 parliamentarians for illicit enrichment. You see what happened, my wisdom warriors? Now the Labour write them out, telling lie. Listen, you know, this is this is Andrew Owner's party now, you know. I give out fake news, you know, lying, you know, lying on the opposition party, you know, my wisdom warriors. I'll know me hear Andrew Owner say I'm going to track them down, you know. Where is Dana Morris? Where is Moped? Where is Moped? Eh? Where is Moped? Oh, she not come out and say nothing, no. Oh, she not come out and say nothing. And then go on like they care about the Jamaican people. Hey, you no have to go down. Remember me telling you no have to go down, right down to the ground. My wisdom warriors, hear this.
We are insulted and alarmed at the disgraceful concoction of misinformation and misdirection being used by the JLP in the face of, quite frankly, damning revelations by the Integrity Commission that a total of 8 parliamentarians are now under investigation for illicit enrichment and unexplained wealth. In their usual diversionary style, JLP Deputy Gen Sec Charles Sinclair attempted to mislead Jamaicans by suggesting that the Integrity Commission does not inform individuals under investigation. We are saying that the JLP is fully aware that, to the contrary, the Integrity Commission does write to individuals who are under investigation for illicit enrichment and advises them of such investigation. This protocol, we know, is in place to ensure that those under scrutiny are aware of their status and can respond appropriately. In fact, in a public statement in Parliament, the Commission's Director of Investigation, Kevon Stevenson, said, and I'm going to quote him here, he said, all declarants who are being investigated for illicit enrichment must be so advised. Declarants under such an investigation must, by law, be given an opportunity to explain how they came by their assets. That's a direct quote. In fact, this same statement was shared by the Integrity Commission's Executive Director, Greg Christie, via an email to Parliament in August 2023. Therefore, I am very concerned by Senator Charles Sinclair's assertion that the PNP cannot speak with certainty on this matter. That is incorrect, and by extension, the JLP should also be able to say if the 8 MPs under investigation sit among them. After all, on November 19, 2023, the Jamaica Gleaner reported that the Integrity Commission called a meeting with a JLP MP regarding possible illicit enrichment. We're standing by the statement issued by the leader of the opposition yesterday that all 22 PNP parliamentarians, both MPs and senators, have confirmed that they are not aware of being investigated by the Integrity Commission for illicit enrichment. We therefore challenge Mr. Sinclair, the Prime Minister, and the entire Jamaica Labour Party to state unequivocally whether any of their members are under investigation for illicit enrichment. We just want to remind the Jamaica Labour Party that the historically unprecedented case of 8 parliamentarians being under investigation by the country's integrity watchdog for illicit enrichment is a serious matter. This has the potential to derail any government and cause irrevocable damage to a country's reputation. The PNP is urging the JLP to address these critical issues with the seriousness they deserve, rather than attempting to deflect attention through baseless accusations and disinformation. We're again calling on all parliamentarians to uphold the highest ethical standards and to support the Integrity Commission in its efforts to address any discrepancies in asset declaration.
My wisdom warriors, that is Nekeisha Burchell, spokesperson from the opposition side. Spokesperson for public and communication. Want to hear what she say? You see what? Andrew Holness come out and talk about misinformation. Maphead come out and talk about misinformation. And look, them own a party. Them own a wicked set of people, them in my wisdom warriors. A wicked set of people, them, you know. But I say, if I was Mark Golding, I wouldn't tell Mark Golding, say, tell the Integrity Commission, come out and state it, because they must can state. So none of the PNP is not part of the illicit six. The only thing they cannot do is call the name. So they must can write a letter and say that, so the people them know. Me say the Jamaica Labour Party is a set of termites, them my wisdom warriors, a set of destruction. Me say the people they lie and wicked, you know. And where they come from, them the people they have God in their heart. Them the people they have God in their heart. A one wicked set of people them. You can imagine these people out here tricking and fooling the Jamaican people. Wow. Wow. So how can somebody like Andrew Holness come out and talk about fake news and talk about misinformation while his party is out here telling lies, spreading propaganda? Mighty God of Daniel. I think Integrity Commission will come out and do better than that. Integrity Commission, clear the air. Clear the air. You need to come out and say, no PNP members is not part of it. You need to come. Unu can't say that. And I like say, una call name. Unu can't say that. This is a wickedness, man. Dirty labor right, them a look company. Dirty labor right a look company. Them know say them a thief and them a criminal. And I can't try mix up PNP in a them criminality. You see how them wicked? My wisdom warriors. You see how them drunk or you wicked? The Jamaica Labour Party. And them people want we for respect. Hey, that will never happen. We can't respect these people. These people are not honorable. These people are not of good governance, my wisdom warriors. A matter of fact, them never signed the code of conduct. So when me hear people talk about how we are discredit, can me hear some little dirty thinking labor right, you know, come out and run off them stinking mouth, you know, before they go brush them teeth, you know, they out here beat up them gum, you know. You understand me? I come chat about we are discredit. Discredit who? Which part of Andrew Holness credible? Which part? No part of Andrew Holness not credible. Andrew Holness come out just because people are beat and teach him. And he can't take it. He come and chat about fake news. And them are the only one that trick the people, Jamaican people. This a man and I like Jamaican people. He's a wicked man. He's a wicked man. This man you see there, Andrew Holness. And I want to know, so I'm going to write a letter to the king. I start it already. I'm going to write a letter to the king. Yes, man. The king don't know what go on. The king, I'm pretty sure the king don't know say under ongoing investigation. Me sure know they not tell the king that the party. Me I tell you no. They must me in a right. You have the government that is in power spreading misinformation. Really? And just because Jamaican people don't know their rights, you know. That's all me have to tell you, you know. And just true because Jamaican people don't know their rights. Because if Jamaican people know their rights, man, Andrew have to lift up. Andrew and his whole thieving friend them have to lift up. Because Andrew is a criminal. Once you're under investigation for illicit enrichment, you're a suspected criminal. You're a suspect. You're a suspect. And if, me tell you something, my wisdom warriors. If any one of we, a fair workplace, yeah, is under suspect for thieving thieving your workplace money. You know what them are going to do to it? Them are going to suspend you, don't it? Them are going to suspend you. That are the first thing them are going to do. Or even fire you. So how comes Andrew Holness still have the right to be a prime minister? PSOJ now say shit. Governor General now say nothing. Feel more lock up like them glue him down. Like them glue down for him lip. And Governor General knows that these things can't happen in England. Governor General know that. Me I tell us that the whole of them is a wicked set of people. The whole of them, they not like Jamaican people. Jamaica, you can't allow Andrew Holness. You cannot allow Andrew Holness to turn Jamaica in a republic. If you don't allow it, you doom. You know that Jamaica. You know that enough of you call me. Enough of you call me and tell me and show me the levels. Some of you send video just for me say and tell me say, don't show it an ear. No for you come out and a ball to me. No for you not happy. Andrew Holness call the election. I dare you. You can't do that. You can't do that, Andrew. Me I tell us you can't do that. You know say if you ever do that, you go cook left, right and center. You know that. And then you have your little criminal worker them come out. Yeah, your criminal worker them come out and tell lie pan PNP. This need to stop. This need to stop. Uno too lie man and wicked man. Uno too wicked. Jesus? No, sir. If anybody support Jamaica Labour Party, a criminal, just like Andrew, anybody. And when me not talk with water in my mouth, with no apology. The whole of a criminal, because you know where Andrew Holness are do to you. You too damn fool. You know where Andrew Holness are do to you. You too fool. Come on, Jamaica. Come on. That's why I get cross with you no more while. Because you allow I make this mankind come and trample upon you. And come on. You have rights and dash it away. Because what? Come on, Jamaica. You're too weak. You're too weak. I mean, I like it. You're too weak. Where is our warrior spirit? Where is it? Where it gone? Jano, man. Jano. I want thing me notice with Uno. Enough Jamaican people. They like to kill off them brothers and sisters. But for stand up for them brothers and sisters and for them country, they can't. From a born, I never see nothing like this yet. I never see nothing like this yet. Jano. Hey, Labour right, them are wicked still, you know. Yes, man, Labour right, them are wicked, man. Me say the man, the general, I be a criminal in a Labour Party. Be a criminal, and you have to go down, you know. You have to go down. You have to go down. Me know that. There's Andrew can't win another term. We not allow that, Jamaica. We not allow that. We not allow that. This man too wicked, man. This man talk about misinformation and he no come out come correct him. A wicked man, that man. I saw the man dangerous, man. Jano, man. Jano, my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. Run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Appear things are going over there in my wisdom warrior. This is not a joke thing. Also, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, which is 876-236-9097. Feel free to contribute to my channel. You can do so by clicking on the link in the comment section, which is my PayPal. All right? Right there. So, I want to bless upon a nice, clean self and one love.